How to change leverage on Bybit during a trade. Step number one, of course, you need to go and open an account on exchange. If you already have, go to a futures account. I highly advise you for a start to learn how to use leverage on demo account, because on Bybit it is absolutely free and so easy to open. Have a look. When you log in into your real account and open futures, here what you do, just move on this guy and here would be demo trading. Let me show to you how exactly you can change it, because after that after some tests you will do it on your live account. First, to change leverage, it's so easy because a leverage menu you have here. You can choose isolated leverage, cross margin or portfolio margin. Honestly, I personally use most of my time this cross margin, 99% of my time, because I trade on the futures market. I do not hold spot positions. That's why for me it's far easier. How do we change leverage and margin? You can see first here, if you're in position, you can see here cross 16. And what we do on this cross margin here, we easily can change. For example, let's change it to 25. And at this moment, voila, you can see that it is 25x. Let's go and change it to a smaller one, for example, to 5. Because leverage depends how much money you have on account. Because on this demo account, when you have 100K, honestly, you can take a trade even without the leverage at this moment. You can see leverage is 1. In some cases, you will have the position on other coins. For example, let's open Bitcoin, and here on Bitcoin you can see leverage is 10. Let's open, for example, one BTC trade. It shows you information about what exactly we can get. Okay, confirm. Okay, we opened one BTC, and at this moment you can see that we have cross Ethereum 1, Bitcoin 10. You can do this stuff to every coin, for example, separately. For example, Bitcoin 25, you can see Bitcoin 25. And let's come back to Ethereum. Again, Ethereum, let's do same as on BTC, also 25. It's so easy to do when you have a cross margins, the same when you do with your cell phone settings. Let's also discuss what you can do with isolated margin. Before, I invite you to join our public Telegram, where we share free signals, education and market updates that will help you make money. Join right now, free link is in the description. What about isolated? First, let's go to isolated margin. You can see at this moment when we switched isolated, it immediately switched to all our positions. And at this moment, as you can see, we have isolated 25 on BTC, isolated 25 on Ethereum. Here you can see again we have this menu 25, and you can see again what we can do. For example, we can change that leverage. And at this moment, as you can see, Bitcoin leverage decreased to 5x, and we have only 5x leverage. Ethereum leverage again stays the same. And what we do, we go to Ethereum trade. Again, here you can see what we do. Let's set 5 and again confirm. And you can see 5. And let's come back. Bitcoin, let's do 10 on Bitcoin. For example, 10, 10. Voila, as you can see, Bitcoin is 10. Once more, I highly advise you to do it on demo account, because for the start you will learn how to do it, and after that you can do it on your real account. My friend, remember that exchange is only a tool, but you need approach where exactly you can buy and sell with a clear strategy and approach. That's why here I share my secret approach how to make money on the crypto market. Watch it right now.